In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to splice on Capcut using an iPhone. Splicing is an essential skill for video editing, and Capcut makes it incredibly easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create dynamic video effects that combine different clips seamlessly. So let's dive straight into the process. First things first, start by opening Capcut on your iPhone. If you haven't yet created a project, go ahead and set one up. However, if you already have a project you're working on, just tap on it to open. It's always a good idea to have your main clip ready, as we'll be adding overlays to this base video. With your project open, look towards the bottom of the screen and you'll notice an option that says Overlay. Tap on it and then tap on Add Overlay. This feature allows you to add another clip or image, essentially layering it over your main video. Selecting Add Overlay will take you to your media library, where you can choose the clip or image you wish to incorporate. This is where you can get creative and decide what visual elements you want to blend together. Now that we've added an overlay to your timeline, your next step is to engage with this new clip. Simply tap on the overlay clip within the timeline. You'll see several options pop up, but the one you're looking for is Splice, located at the bottom menu. Splicing is all about blending, and this is where the magic really happens. Once you tap Splice, a variety of blend modes will appear before you. These include options such as lighten, darken and overlay, among others. Each mode functions differently, affecting how your overlay merges with the base video beneath it. Take your time to explore these modes. For instance, the lighten mode will brighten the combined video, while darken allows for deeper tones. Overlay can add subtle or more bold effects depending on the context of your clips. Play around with these to see what works best for your creative vision. Finally, it's time to adjust the opacity. The opacity setting is your friend when it comes to perfecting the blend between your overlay and the original video. Adjusting opacity will determine how much of the overlay shows through, giving you control over the transparency. If you want the overlay to stand out more, set a lower opacity. For a more seamless look, adjust it higher. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can master the art of splicing in Capcut using your iPhone. With practice, you'll be able to create polished, professional-looking videos seamlessly. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how splicing can elevate your video editing game. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.